All right, so hello and welcome to the first exercise of this course. Now, I'm a big fan of exercises because that's the only method that works for me to learn programming. Because if I just hear about it and never use it, it's gone by about 1 to 4 weeks from now. But as the research also shows, if you actively use what you've learned, it stays far longer in your head. So yeah, that's usually a very smart idea to try to implement the stuff that you learned on your own. So I've got a solution video. If you're on your mobile device or if you're already very familiar with the topic, feel free to just skip to the solution or skip it at all. But I highly suggest try to solve it on your own because that way you'll learn just the most. So this is the exercise I've been rambling about for a while now. And you can see we've got this ninja. We can control him with the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. And if I move very close to the rabbit, you can see it backs off. If I move very far away from him, he comes closer to me. Now we can change this behavior slightly. We've got a max distance and a minimum distance. So let's set the minimum distance to, let's say, 4 and the max distance to, let's say, 5. And that way he keeps a rather fixed distance to the player. And we can play around with these values if you want to. But yeah, that's the general idea. And we're going to do this by using a state machine. Now you can already guess, the enemy has an idle mode, a run toward mode, and a run away mode. And you can switch between these states. But that's what you're going to code. So I hope you're going to enjoy this little exercise. It's, I think, rather basic, but you should get the hang of how it works. And after we're finished with this exercise, I'm going to show you how we can improve upon this exercise with the state pattern.